Guys, Monday, October 31st, Halloween. So happy Halloween, guys. So I just took a trade here at 22 on this little pullback. I have my fractal here, just risking 1 point, stopping out at 21. So just a 1 point stop. I have my fractal here. I have a fractal here. Um, my bias is now to the upside. We've been on a downtrend all day, but I've been watching for the setup, and now we finally got the setup I've been looking for. And yeah, so I have three contracts. One order at 24 to sell, the other one at 25, and I will be managing the third contract. That's of course if I don't get stopped here and everything goes my way. So I'll keep you guys updated, let you know how the trade goes. Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update here. Price came back up to 24.50, right back to this fractal. So obviously this fractal is going to give it some resistance, and now we're getting a little pullback. So I just wanted to talk about this trade that I took. All day, price action has been going down to the downside. So this was obviously a counter trend trade. So if you're a newer trader, you definitely want to avoid counter trend trading. You don't want to be jumping in these kind of trades. But I've been doing this for a while now. I know what to look for. I've seen these type of reversals all the time. When I got in, we still haven't gotten this crossover here, this AEMA crossover. But as you can see, it's trying to do it now. And like I said before, if you want to avoid counter trend trading and getting chopped out, what you can always do is wait for the confirmation of this break, of this fractal break for higher. So once we break this structure, it's really simple, Elliott wave theory. Okay, we broke there, 24.75. So now that you see in this breakout, you could try to get in, on a pullback to 23. But like I said before, that will give you a bigger risk, maybe a 2 point risk, which isn't that bad. But a 2 point reward. I can definitely see us getting up here to 26. So I will put my last contract at 26, and will probably trail it at the same time. But so back to Elliott wave theory. If you guys don't know Elliott waves, just go on YouTube. There's millions of videos on it. So we're getting lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower lows. Then we get a higher low, and then we break this lower high. So now we're in an uptrend. Hopefully you guys know about that. It's very simple, basic charting price action. But yeah, like I got in early. I got in at 22 with a 1 point stop. I know what to look for. I've been doing this, like I said, for a long time. It is a high probability trade. I'm not saying there's 100% guarantee that it was going to work in my favor. But like I said, going off past experience, going off of my charting experience, I knew that the probabilities were in my favor for this to go higher. So I took the trade. I had my risk, 1 point. I got my rewards. And that's all I can ask for, You take your trade, you manage your trade, put in your stops, put in your targets, and that's all you can do as a trader. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on what happens with my two contracts I have here. Went as high as 24.75, so still have an order at 25 to take one off. So I'll keep you guys updated, okay? Hey guys, another update here. So as you guys can see, as soon as we broke 24.50, price action had a nice breakout play here. Hit 27.75. So I got my 25s out. I'm trailing my last contract. I'm gonna see. I can definitely see a pullback here to 25.50, 25.75, back to the AEMA. So I'm going to be trailing my last one. Hey guys, another update here. As you can see, price pulled back to the AEMA. Actually came lower, came down to 25, then bounced, body closed above the 8 EMA, so I like the way that's looking. We can break above this high here, 26.25, then I see no reason why we can't continue higher. That's my bias at the moment. I went ahead and put a stop below this guy's low at 24.75. So at 24.75, I have a stop for my last contract. Excuse me. So essentially, what I'm looking for here is, I mean, if you guys watch a couple of my videos, you'll see this setup all the time. I would actually probably be jumping in here in a trade if I didn't already have a contract on. I would probably be getting in somewhere here for a stop right below 25. So at 24.75, I would probably have a stop with an entrance at 25.75, right at the 8 EMA. You know, so this is like a setup that I would actually be taking right now if I wasn't already in the trade. But once the next candle, you know, if everything goes according to plan, the next candle opens, this will become a fractal point for my support here. So I would be moving this support up here to 25, and then I would be watching for the break of this high up here at 27.75, and you know, potentially, you know, I can probably try to squeeze a couple more points out this last contract, maybe 29, maybe 30, 21.30. So I'm going to be managing it. I'm going to be trailing my stop. I'm going to be moving my stop up. It's getting close to lunchtime, so yeah, I got to watch for that. Price slows down around then. I mean, volume slows down. I already locked in 250 in profits. My first trade was got out at 24 for a 1 to 2, risking 1. I made 2. My second contract I got out at 25 for a 1 to 3. So, you know, locked in 250. Now I'm just going to let this last one run and, you know, see how much I can squeeze out of my last contract. If I get out at 24.75, I'm happy with that. It's a winning trade on that last contract, so I'll take it. All right, guys, I'll keep you guys updated on what happens. All right, guys, a really quick update here. As you can see, price held below this this guy's low here, which now became a fractal. I'm gonna go ahead and move this up to this point just for the visuals, and zoom in a little bit here. And as you guys can see, I mean, you guys can go back and watch my other videos. I've shown you this setup at least 3 to 4 times where I've taken this trade before with a 1-point stop. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. You know, all I know is that is a high probability trade, and that's what I take, high probability trades. So all I can do now is just sit and wait, see what happens. Hey guys, final update here. So after this pullback, we started getting a bounce here. I was trailing my stop. I got really tight at 27 here. I was hoping for this breakout, but I was also watching for a possible double top. So I got my stop real tight at 27, traded at 26 into 27. Then as you can see, no breakout, pulled back down, broke below this fractal. So now we have, well, we're almost about to get a new support here. But I'm done for the day. I'm not taking any more trades. I'm happy with my P&L today. Not complaining at all. Let me see here. All right, so we ended the day with 500 on the last contract. Got out at 21.75. I mean, I'm sorry, 21.27. 21.27. So that's a 1 to 5 on that last contract. So yeah. All right, guys. So that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.